My people, I greet now with the time when they watch my video. As you now know, this one is Edo State Market Blog. For Edo State Market Blog, now price matter we dey talk about and we dey connect people who they sell and who they buy together. No matter where you dey, you fit buy from Edo State Market Blog. You understand me so? But if you never subscribe, I beg you subscribe. Right now, I dey first junction for Saple Road. Saple Road junction. I dey first junction for Saple Road. What I do? I dey furniture shop, anointed furniture. What you want to do? Want tell una how price dey be for furniture matter, and we will see meet Oga. Make Oga tell us wetin he dey do for furniture shop. If you see my side, you go see different furniture. You understand me so? Different fine furniture wey fit your house, your mansion. No matter if you dey watch me, Oga will tell us wetin dey do. If you see what you like for here, you fit call Oga green. He go answer you. Now quality material. Now Oga dey do it. We go meet am. Oga sir. Good morning sir. Sir, what be your name sir?
My name is Friday Sarobo.
Sir, what do you do for here?
Really, we are into furniture. As you can see, we make doors, executive chairs, dining, and beds, wardrobes, kitchen cabinet, and so on and so forth. So that's what we are doing here.
Sir, my viewers go want to know, because say there some people, if you see maybe some people go Auchi, I don't say matter what they talk about. You dey go anywhere, I've been already this vicinity for the operate.
We get showroom for Auchi, we get showroom for Saple Road, we get showroom for First. So we dey supply Port Harcourt, Warri, Lagos, Abuja for now.
So you do all this kitchen cabinet, all this wardrobe, furniture for flats. You do those things.
That is my job.
Okay.
This MDF or HGF plywood work, acrylic plywood. Okay. These are what we are into.
So I want you carry us around your shop. May you show us what's in your shop and you tell us how the price they be for chairs. So more start for these chairs. How these chairs they be?
These chairs now. Now dining set.
The dining set.
Dining set. I think for carry whether you know, this is a dining chair for 6. It's a dining chair for 6. For 5, 6. And the price go for 180. There, of which if this one were to be imported, it's about 1.8 million. So that is for this.
But all this one the last way and the last way.
This one I gave you 10-15 years guarantee.
15 years guarantee.
10-15 years guarantee.
Come here, come here. This one last 6 years, Abi?
This one has 6.
Come here.
This one has 6 chairs. 6 chairs. It goes with the same amount. This is a royal dining. This is royal dining. It goes for the same amount. We have also.
What's this one? This one king chair.
For relaxation, balcony.
But not be dining. You have to
no, this is not dining. This is not dining. This is for balcony relaxation.
How much this one?
This one each of it is 80,000 naira.
Each 80,000 naira.
Yes, it's 80,000 naira. So that is it. That one goes with this.
Okay, this one goes with that one.
Goes with that.
One where they relax, Abi?
All these are throw pillows.
Throw pillows.
Throw pillows. These are Seco throw pillows. That one is a square pillow. There is fiber inside. Fiber.
Okay, all these doors, we see door for here.
Yes.
All these doors.
All these doors. Yes. You can only get this door in God's anointed furniture in Nigeria. You know?
Okay, that's not missing this particular door. Only one them producer.
Yes. Yes, I'm the only one producing this door for now in Nigeria. So people outside, people local, they go for it. It's a very strong door. It's a bulletproof door. It's a bulletproof. It's a bulletproof door. Can make it for rooms. We make it for bedroom and a kitchen. So that is for that. Yes. Okay.
So this door now, I know you want the producer. My viewers now they watch me now and I see this door when they talk. So this door, turn this door, it's not bulletproof. No matter where you do, if you watch this video, you like this door, you physically call them. He said they supply go anywhere. Yeah, you say dey for Edo State, Auchi, anywhere he dey. He say go supply you. Say this one are bulletproof. Say na only one they make am for Nigeria. Where would they go? This bed, look, I see bed.
This is a bed. This is a royal bed also.
The royal bed.
It's a royal bed. It's a royal bed, padded tough head.
What is tough head?
Tough head.
What they put on now diamond design?
These are buttons.
Okay, buttons.
This is made with leather cloth tough head. So it's a royal bed, 6x7, very solid. Very solid bed. This one now with the dressing mirror and the side cupboard, they go for 300,000. Okay. Then only the bed go for 200. So our price is very cheap, very cheap. So, yes, like those brand door are the same bulletproof. This white door is foreign door, China. China door. This white one is China door. But all these brown ones, they are bulletproof. They are my make. That's it. This one, this white one also. This white one is wooden. All true. But not bulletproof. It's wooden. There are some people that like wooden inside their room. So that is for that. Then we also have aluminium door for bedroom.
You want aluminium door?
Yes.
What's the aluminium? What's that? The aluminium.
Aluminium door for bedroom. So that is for that. All these are TV
stand. How about this one? The aluminium door, don't tell us the price of aluminium door.
This aluminium door, we make it for 30,000. Very solid aluminium.
Now you go office, huh?
I will go and install it, but bricklayer will be the one to chalk it. Okay. I will mat the door on the frame. Then the bricklayer will be the one to finish it. Okay, like this door now, you know.
A lot of chairs, all these chairs. How the chair they be safe?
This one are a set. This is just a single. It's comprising with 7-seater. 2 single, 1 double, 1 3-seater. Oh. That's what makes a set. So it goes for 250 at least. Because we are doing some promo, we can give it out for 200. So that is for that.
I beg you, watch this video. You say a pass a promo your day. No. You will watch me from Obodo Yibo. You the builders from Nigeria. A pass just get promo for you. No. He say if you quick come book now, he will give you Zaza. And what they interest me, that bulletproof Nigeria made door, that interests me. I hope you not see the door. If it interests you too, you go call a pa, you go green anywhere you did, you go come. But they say you want chair for here, but we want a leather chair.
Leather chair. This leather chair comprising of 7-seater as well. It goes for 250. It goes for 250.
What will happen today?
This one are leather cloth material. Come and take a look of this.
Come and see. Come and see.
This leather cloth material. So this one also go for 250. As you can see, we're about loading doors that we are taking. This one they go Iriri for Benin Airport Road. So that one they go in. That was it. And you see how some other doors.
I come see doors with packet. Because if you see the designer, people feel just like that design. Feel do this particular door for me. So come see this door. How about I see bulletproof, Abi?
Yes.
See, bulletproof. Odeshi. See, I have so bulletproof. Now Nigeria, now only a part they do one for full Nigeria. Now only one they do one. In fact, nobody do copy him. Now only one they do one. So if you just like him, no. I told you to put cost say part. This door, it didn't interest me. I just like him. This one again.
This one has skin door.
Okay, skin door.
This one is for rooms. This one it goes for at least give away 20,000 naira.
Okay, give away now.
20,000.
The part they give away for this period now. More quick call them. Because if I go change the mind.
Those bulletproof with the frame key, everything is 45,000. Only the door 30,000. With frame and key, everything is 45,000 for the bulletproof. The only the door is 30,000.
Okay.
So that's like this one you can see. This is China door.
Okay, China door.
This is China door.
Okay.
We still have some Double door outside.
Okay.
Double door is bulletproof also. Double door.
Okay.
Outside.
Well, iron door.
That is iron door. That is iron door. That's iron door. So this is what we have for now. Like we can't take it to other of our showroom now.
Okay. Hey, watch us. We dey go a power warehouse. There plenty doors and plenty things dey. My sister, this one, any video dey my market blog, no fear. People dey call me say they wan do business with people wey dey my blog. Say whether they fit do am. Any video you see for my market blog, they are authentic and genuine. You can call them. You can do business with them. That is why I created the blog, to connect sellers and buyers together. No matter what, you feel your cause Sakpala don't buy chair. Sakpala go surprise. How you don't buy chair? You will do obodo. You why you buy chair? Sakpala go surprise. If you go jump, I don't buy so sell. Don't buy plumbing material. Go collect them. No need to say I want to send this person. I don't see one want send. They don't be busy. Market blog now they connect you with buyer and sellers. Okay, if you like any chairs or anything where a part they show you and it does interest me, say na bulletproof door, just call them as they hot. So it go deliver to you. Say they deliver all well for Edo State. No matter your side. If they sure say if they go Iri now go deliver some doors like this now. So make you book your order. We still go the site. We go a power warehouse. Make sure other doors. Keep watching. I beg if you not subscribe, make you subscribe. My people, if you not see where I did now, I did here for the producer for Oga shop. Now first I see the for Sapele Junction. You understand me so? Now here the producer all those things we they see so now they produce them. So 1 minute per minute tell us, make sure us how they work, make sure us what we need to see. Make you know say na life here if we produce them. Those bulletproof don't tell you so now here for the producer. But we meet pa. See if you can see Oga work now. All these chairs. Okay, people they complain say people they use fake material they work. If I hope say your own different.
As you can see now, this is skeleton. We never spray am.
Okay.
So it's a very solid wood. We use this thick wood. Call it thick. The wood that they use to make electric pole.
Okay.
That's what we are using. Like this chair you can see now, we call it bishop chair.
A bishop chair.
Bishop chair. Whereby that second one is for reception or for visitor. So these are some of the bulletproof doors.
Okay, come see I party they make the bulletproof doors. Okay, see the bulletproof door. Okay.
These are the bulletproof door. You're ongoing.
Okay. But when I do the door finish, now they test them with gun.
It's because of the gauge of the iron.
Okay.
Because of the gauge of the iron that is inside.
Okay.
That is how.
So this bullet.
Yes, that's it. Because of the gauge of the iron. So that is that. That is how we rated it. Because like in Benin here now, this door is mostly the one where they make and they put it outside the outside door. Okay. That is outside door. Outside door.
Now you can use this one inside the custom.
Yes, because of that one they are putting outside, they use iron
to do it
to make everything. But this is our own now. We use wood to make the frame and put the iron inside. It's one in Nigeria. You can only get this door here. It's a new innovation.
That's what I hear so. So if you want to buy this kind of door, bulletproof, just call a part number. No matter where you dey, just call them. A part they deliver anywhere for those seats. And no matter where you for the produce your house, just call a part. My people, I dey a part showroom, opposite area command for Sapele Road. You know me so near police bank here, Nigeria Police Force their bank here. You know me so that microfinance bank. Now we all say. So you see what a part there for a showroom. All those bulletproof door, and we don't see a party the producer. We don't see say what you get for a showroom and yeah for the producer. You don't shout with your two eye. Don't know the third person. It's left for you to make your decision. If you like any of those doors, you see now a very solid doors. If you like what you see, you want buy. Now for you to call it part directly. You understand me? So my people not here see everything we don't show you concerning furniture and everything you need for your house to make them fine. So if you're interested or anything where we don't show you, so you want buy share, you want do anything, even for you want do a kitchen cabinet or wardrobe or you want furnish your flat, if I will call the number, you will call our green it's in our WhatsApp number. If you call our direct call too. About your phone number
080 562 76502.
Call them again
080 562 76502. That's my WhatsApp number.
This one I Edo State Market blog. I beg if you never subscribe. For take note, any business I put for my blog, they are genuine, they are real business. You can buy from them. Take note, any business I put on my blog, they are genuine, you can buy from them. Because people call me a lot. If they call me, my battery dey low, I dey off my data. So I believe some you write me, I prefer you write me before you dey call me. Because many people dey call me well. Me na dey bring una together, buyer and seller together. I no dey sell check. Na a part dey sell check. You go call the WhatsApp number. Yeah, you understand me? So remain blessed. Please subscribe if you not subscribe. Edo State Market Blog.